Hey guys, this is how to add or withdraw money on Alipay. So, first thing that you will do is just simply go ahead and go to the Alipay application and open it up. And from here, in order for you to add or withdraw money, just simply go ahead and go to account over here down below at the bottom right corner of the screen. And from here, as you can see, you will have here balance. So just simply tap on a balance over here, guys. And after that, you'll be able to have here two options, which is a withdraw, where you can withdraw money, and a recharge, where you can add money. So guys, from here, you'll be able to add and withdraw. And since I don't have a verified account yet, I won't be able to show you. But if you do, you will be able to tap these buttons over here. And from there, just simply provide the amount that you want to withdraw or to add, and just simply provide which card that you want to add or withdraw it with. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.